Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to fix an annoying issue on FIFA 2025 that if it shows that Origin is not installed, then this video is for you. So if there is on your you have to simply download this EA application on your system. Then you have to do is simply click on this three horizontal button at the top right corner, and from here you have to go to the settings. Now when you are on settings, simply click on applications from here. Now when you are on this application, now you have to do is simply scroll down, and here you can find this application updates. Make sure that it is turned on to update your game. So if there's an update available, make sure that you have updated the version. And you can do is you can go to the application, and from here you can find something like if the FIFA is downloaded, here you can find some add-ons. If there's any type of add-ons just added to your FIFA 2025 that is preventing it to loading, or it has just or some file has just deleted by you somehow accidentally from your file manager, so you have to do is reinstall it or recheck or verify the download file. From here you can find it, or you can find a repair button, simply repair for it, or you can simply do is simply click down, uninstall your FIFA 2025 and reinstall it from the EA application. So once you have purchased it, you can find it on your library, the FIFA 2025, and you will be able and easily reinstall that on your PC. Or other thing you can do is simply right click on your taskbar here, and you can find the task manager, simply click on it, and from here you have to find this EA application. Now right click on EA and simply click on end task, and it will just disappear or turn off from the background of your PC. Now you have to simply double click on the EA application again and open the EA application on your system. Now wait till it's load. So when it all open on your system, then you have to wait until it's load properly. Then from this EA client application you have to launch the FIFA 2025 and you are good to go. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.